Succulents are a wonderful addition to any indoor space, adding a touch of nature's beauty to your home. But to keep them thriving, you need to create the right environment. Here's how to do it. But before we do that, if you are new to this channel, my name is Sky. This channel is for everyone who is a succulent enthusiast, anyone who has a passion for arts and architecture, or if you are a retiree like me and want to unlock your creativity and learn something new in this journey, this channel is for you. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below to support my channel. Like, share, and engage by putting a comment below. Number 1. Choosing the right location. First, choose the right location. Succulent crave sunlight, so place them near a south or west facing window to ensure they get plenty of indirect sunlight. Potting and soil. Next, use a well-draining potting mix specifically designed for succulents and cacti. This ensures the soil won't hold onto excess moisture. Container selection. Choose pots with drainage hole to prevent overwatering. Terracotta pots are a great choice because they help wick away excess moisture. Watering techniques. When it comes to watering, less is more. Allow the soil to completely dry out between waterings, and then water thoroughly. Overwatering can be detrimental. Temperature and humidity. Maintain a temperature between 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 degrees centigrade to 27 degrees centigrade. Succulents don't like extreme cold or heat. They also thrive in average indoor humidity levels. Fertilizing. During the growing seasons like spring and summer, fertilize your succulents sparingly with a diluted, balanced fertilizer. Avoid over-fertilizing to prevent harm. Pruning and maintenance. Keep your succulents looking their best by trimming back leggy growth and removing dead leaves. This encourages a more compact and attractive shape. Pest and disease management. Lastly, watch for common succulent pests like mealybugs and aphids. If you spot any issues, address them promptly to keep your succulents healthy. With the right care and attention, succulents can thrive indoors, adding both beauty and touch of nature to your living space. And that's it for today. This is Sky. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!